Go for the smaller ones and farmers market ones, but this one was emergency purchase. Do you have anything for deliver if available? Oh, I can give you maybe some herbal things, but deliver stores your anger, so you need to express your anger. You need to speak about, you need to fight for things you want to fight for. You need to tell certain people to fuck off. You don't need, you must not keep things bottled inside of you, because if anger gets bottled up, it gets bottled up in the liver. So you need to have the conversations you know you need to have. You need to tell people to fuck off that you've been keeping around for a lot of time now. You need to stand up for yourself in situations where you're not doing it. So you need to fight for things that you want to fight for, and you want to get away from things that you want to get away from. You need to own your power. You need to own your power. Because if you don't own it, you suppress it, it goes into the liver, and the liver overheats.